Hello, all my friends. My name is Lorrie, and this is my world. Welcome to it. I'm really happy that you're here. If it's your first time, thank you so much for dropping in. And if you're coming back, thanks so much for coming back again. Today is going to be an update on Survival Seeds 2025. A fantastic collaboration that is hosted by the Vineyard Chicks Homestead, Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa, and Bushcraft Family with Charles over there. And it is a wonderful collaboration of a whole bunch of people who love gardening all through the United States and Canada. There's a couple down in Australia. I think we've got some people just getting ready to get started in Europe. And we're all growing the same stuff. Free seeds for anybody who wanted to be involved coming from the Vineyard Chicks Homestead. They are footing all the expenses for this, including the shipping, and they will ship you your free seeds. All you need to do is make an entry video saying that you want to be a part of this collaboration. And then you'll go over to the website, fill out the quick form, which includes a link to your entry video. And a couple of weeks later, you'll receive some free seeds in the mail, and you can go ahead and start planting. Now, the only requirement for video is that you put in an entry video. You don't have to do updates, although if you do updates, you have a chance of winning a weekly prize. We do a weekly prize giveaway that is for any collaborator that put out a video that week about Survival Seeds 2025. They go on a wheel and get picked for a prize. And there are some pretty darn good prizes. On the last Sunday of every month, we have a huge giveaway where we give away things from anywhere from seeds to garden benches to hydroponic setups, things to get rid of pests, just all kinds of stuff. So I encourage anybody who likes gardening to get involved. I'll leave links, of course, down there in the bottom, but this is going to be my update. And so I will go on the prize wheel this week. Ha, 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 ha. Nobody else put videos out this week because I want to win. Anyway, let's get to my garden. So check it out. On the indoor tomatoes, I have got little red tomatoes. And now you can see this plant is struggling. The branches are bending and breaking over. They're so heavy with tomatoes. I definitely don't recommend planting just a regular cherry tomato plant indoors. I thought this was a dwarf, but it was definitely not a dwarf. Anyway, these come right off. And yeah, let's give one a try. Let's try the other one. Are actually a little tart and not sweet at all. Not sure I like that a whole lot. So we have another one. Looks beautiful. Fresh off the vine. Definitely ripe. Let's have Mima give it a try.
What is it?
It's a tomato.
A tomato?
A tomato from our indoor tomato plant.
It's cute.
Isn't it adorable?
Look at that little green stem.
Right? Isn't it just so cute?
Yeah. Am I supposed to eat it?
You're supposed to eat it.
All at once?
All at once. Just pop it in your mouth.
Would you cut it into quarters?
No, I'm not cutting it into quarters for you. Crazy old bat.
It tastes like tomato.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
I like it.
Okay.
It would have been better cut into quarters.
Maybe next time. Maybe it's the time of day. I had one. It was really sour.
Mm-hmm.
Not sour?
Mine isn't sour.
Huh. Maybe it's because I let yours get riper than I let the one I tried.
How long has mine been sitting there?
I just pulled it off the plant, like minutes ago.
When did you pull yours off?
Days ago.
Oh.
And it wasn't as bright red as the one you just ate.
Mine's better.
Yours was better.
More.
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cut into quarters.
I'm not cutting them into quarters. They're not so big. You can't fit them in your big old mouth.
I want bacon and tomato sandwich.
Right, just my little dinky cherry tomatoes.
Slices.
Slices, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm going to run and do that right now, Mima.
Okay.
Okay, so we're out in the garden. It's the middle of June, and we're going to do a survival seeds update. So we'll start by going over here. Things are looking a little thirsty. I thought the rain last night was going to be enough. Let's see, is any of this survival? No, this is my sage. Look how beautiful it is, all in flower. And look at my oregano. I know I said the other day that it's like 5 feet across. I'm sure it's more than that now, but it's starting to flower. Surprised it's not more covered in bees today.
Oh.
So this oregano here, I want to measure how far across it goes.
Well, it's not.
From like here over to there. Ah. Okay, there's the farthest tip on this side.
6 feet.
6 feet? Okie dokie, and look at it, it's just starting to flower. A little windy, like quite windy. Oh, and of course my dandelions are doing fantastic. Come out here and harvest them pretty quick. I need to get some water on out here. I got a potato there. Let's go over here and look at the lemon balm. It's going wild. Looks like I need to come and trim it back again. Oh, the wind has been crazy today, and it's like everything is thirsty too, so that's not helping. Look at my poor beans, my poor kidney beans. They're all blowing over. Oh, and then my tomatoes. My tomatoes are getting huge. I'm still not seeing any tomatoes on them yet, but the plants themselves are giants. They've got flowers. Keep seeing flowers, but no actual tomatoes. Look at my Walla Wallas from last year. Yay! They finally grew. So that's pretty exciting. What else? Here's my pumpkins back in here. They're going slowly. I need to start training it to go up this ladder here. And there's a couple more that I planted, but again, they're looking awfully thirsty. Everything's thirsty. Time to get out here with some water. A bunch of basil coming up. What else is survival seeds? Oh yes, peppers. So I've got these 3 in here. That one's getting eaten by something. This one's looking good. This one's looking good. I've got my 7th seed. I've got a cucumber there. And then over here, I've got 2 more cucumbers. I've got one little guy right here. And one little guy over there. And then I have these peppers. Yeah, I need to get some water going. And the other thing, my poor onions. They don't seem to be doing much in here. I'm gonna give them some more water today and we'll see. They're still a little bit green, so I know they're not completely dead. Yeah, they're not looking so hot. Oh, and you see my chamomile bed's about done for the year. I have to come in and clip it all back. And then there's, of course, the potato. I don't know. I didn't plant any potatoes in here this year, but apparently they're going to grow anyway. How's that for survival? But yeah, so that's about it for my update for survival seeds. I'm not planting my beets until fall. And yeah, there's my garden backyard update for mid-June and survival seeds 2025. And that's it for my garden tour, survival seeds 2025 collaboration, best collaboration going on YouTube. And again, I encourage anybody who's not involved yet to get involved. Fantastic group of people, so much knowledge. Oh my gosh. You just watch the videos and you can't help but learn something from every single gardener that's out there putting out videos. All of them are fantastic, and I love you all. I'm so glad you're part of this collaboration. It makes it so much more fun when there's lots of people involved. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye for now. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. And don't forget, hashtag SurvivalSeeds2025. Get involved. Come watch the lives on Sunday. Come win some prizes. And just come hang out and say hi. Take good care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye now.